Hello guys, welcome to Prime Tech Automotive YouTube channel. So I got Ford Kuga here. I'm fixing a major coolant leak on this engine. So first I remove the intake tube. I'll guide you quickly step by step. So to access that coolant leak, fixing a coolant leak, you need to remove all the wiring connectors, air ducts, intake tubes safely. So temperature sensor being removed. So it's not the thermostat, it's a water outlet behind the cylinder head. So when you remove the connectors, carefully push them back to not damage the connectors. So even when you remove a connector, do not pull out from the wires. So once you remove all the connectors, you need to disconnect the two heater pipes at the back of the water outlet pipe. So and then you are okay to remove the 13mm bolts. There are 4 bolts. Once you get the bolts out, easy done. You are ready to remove the water outlet pipe. So thermostat is not here. The thermostat is close to the alternator, but there's another model which is electric thermostat fitted behind the head. But on this Kuga 1.6, it's a water outlet pipe. People call it water bypass pipe to the heater hoses. It's in a pretty narrow spot, so it's hard to take it out, but you gotta move the harness carefully, and there's the problem. So they are plastic items, so it's brittle, the plastic, and broken where the o-ring seals. So I got the genuine parts from nearest Ford dealership, so it was $90. It wasn't expensive. So I'm ready to install it, but I apply a little bit of sealant on the o-ring, but not too much. But before I fitting that the outlet pipe in, I clean the hole inside the cylinder head where the outlet pipe feed in. Make sure no old o-rings, no foreign material where the o-ring seated. So once you fit the outlet pipe back in, you can use the bolts to secure the pipe. So fixing a coolant leak is very important on an engine, because if you neglect a coolant leak, you will end up with spending heaps of money to fix other things. So it can lead to damage the engine. If you don't know, if you overheat an engine, it might blow head gasket. It can lead to cracked cylinder head. So guys, you need to fix the coolant leak as soon as you see it. I'm almost ready. All the bolt is tidying up. Alright guys, all the bolts were tightened now, and I'm just fitting all the electric connectors which I removed. One more thing, one more important step guys. So when you fit the heater hoses, um, fit them the way you remove. Do not exchange them upside down. So I'm just fitting the temperature sensor now, the sensor connector. bit twisted on the area. So when I pull the harness out from the way of the actual outlet pipe. That's the PCB. Guys, it's everything pretty much ready. Double check everything, all the electric connectors, sensors plugged in, harness is correctly routed, and the hose is fitted correctly. Then I fitted the air tube, and this next step is to fill the coolant. So it's a red coolant was in the car, so I use same coolant, but the tank is in very narrow spot, so I removed the tank, took it out, and then I filled the coolant. So the bleeding procedure it's not that hard. So you need to correctly bleed this. So fill coolant to the top level, and then rev up the engine for 1500 RPM and leave it for 10 minutes. So then you will see the radiator fan comes on, and check the top and bottom radiator hoses, make sure they are hot equally, and make sure the fans are okay, and then there's no leak confirmed, so the job is done. So thanks for watching, guys. So if you're interested in my videos, check back on my channel, like and share my videos, hit bell icon, so you'll get more notification about my videos. So